You've got some pretty hot ground, so you need to make a manual ground balance just to quieten the machine down a little bit. And of course, the problem is once you go lower than say 86 on the ground balance, then you're introducing a signal from the hot rocks. But let's not forget, a lot of people confuse hot rocks with coke, and they're two totally different things. Hot rocks can be magnetic rock, iron slag type things. Even hot rocks can look like stones or potatoes, whereas coke is black and it's very, very light. Hot rocks rejected by the ground balance range, coke's rejected by the discrimination range, about 26, 27 on your discrimination, and hot rocks rejected above about 86, 87 on your ground balance. Now there's a couple of easy ways you can eliminate hot rocks, or should I say better identify them, and that's by using the reactivity setting and the Goldfield mode. The reactivity trick works on the coin deep mode and the coin fast mode, but the Goldfield mode really is the one which gives you that positive audio ID on hot rock. First of all, I'm going to demonstrate in the coin fast mode. Okay, I've got my ORX on coin fast at the moment, and I've got my piece of hot rock. I'm just going to throw it on the ground and let you hear the signal on our standard ground balance, which is about 88 on this. You probably won't hear it at all because of the ground balance. There you go, nothing at all is coming through. You'll notice if you're going over hot rock as well, the mineralization bar goes right to the top. Right, okay, let's drop the ground balance down to say 84, which is way below the hot rock range. So here we go, here's your hot rock. Can you hear it's got a stuttered signal? Now you can enhance this, you can make it sound even worse by lowering the reactivity. So at the moment we're on reactivity 3. Let's drop it down to reactivity 1. Now listen to the signal now. And when you go right over the top of the target, as if it's a coin and you're trying to pinpoint it, you get a signal either side of it, but it nulls in the middle. So it's like a double signal, if you like, whereas a coin will sound absolutely perfect. I've got a coin here. That's your coin. Now your hot rock. The coil can't exactly pinpoint where it is. As I say, lowering the reactivity does make a difference. And also, don't be frightened to lower your sensitivity if you're on really hot ground, guys. Okay, this is reactivity 3 in the Goldfield mode. Let's listen to that piece of hot rock. Wow, 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 wow. You're getting that double bleep. Whereas a coin, which is just there, it's a much, much more solid signal. Let's have a little play around with that reactivity. We're on 3 at the moment. Let me drop it down to 1. Let's go right to the other end of the scale. Hot rock again. There's a massive dip in the target. It nulls out when we go over hot rock. There's no mistaking that's hot rock compared to the coin. A nice solid two-way signal. So there you go, guys. Use that Goldfield mode if you've got loads of hot rock about. And if you want to start rejecting iron, just introduce the IAR. It goes up to number 5, and that's maximum iron rejection. It won't reject all deep iron, but it'll certainly reject the shallow stuff by giving a broken up target signal. If you did want to see another example of the hot rock, I've got a really old DPR 600 video where I show the different sounds on the hot rock using the reactivity settings. I hope that's given everyone a little insight into the ORX and rejecting those pesky hot rocks. But don't forget, hot rocks change all over the planet, so one may give a different reaction to another. So don't forget, lower your ground balance only as much as you dare. Above 86 will start rejecting hot rocks, and have a little play around with that reactivity setting until you get the hot rocks wallowing on the target signal. Bye for now, guys, and don't forget to drop over to the XP YouTube channel. We've got a newsletter, we've got Instagram, we've got Facebook, we've got Twitter. Come over and say hi. Be lucky out there, and I'll see you soon.